There's a lot you could learn from me in wholesaling real estate. I've been doing it 4 years and I've closed over 300 deals. I have a video course available that shows you how I got started and how you can use my exact blueprint to be successful in this business. There are a lot of things you could learn from a wholesaler that's been in this business for many years, and there's a lot of things you could learn from me. I've been doing it 4 years, I've closed over 300 deals, and I've made a lot of money, trust me. And I've started from zero. I started with bandit signs and stickers on my car, and I've gone to a multi-million-dollar business in 4 years. There's a lot you can learn, and if you want to learn from me, I'll teach you my exact blueprint on how I got started and how I've scaled how I got started to where I am today. I teach you everything, all the programs, how I comp properties, how I get properties under contract, how I find motivated sellers, how I find buyers, and how I close deals. Guys, if you're interested in learning more, reach out to me, send me a message, leave a comment, somehow get a hold of me, and I'll help you get started. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.